Most AI writing tools today can generate content, but the workflow after that, it's still a mess. We generate the article with AI, then we still have to copy everything into WordPress, format the content, add images, optimize SEO, create internal links, and somehow make the article sound human. That's why, to tackle this problem, a platform caught my attention, and that is Contentryte. Instead of trying to be just another AI writer, it is trying to automate that entire process using something called Site DNA. And after testing it, I think the most interesting part is not even the AI writing itself, it's how everything connects together. I can honestly say this feels more like a complete AI publishing system than just another AI writer. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do here is connect Contentryte directly to my WordPress site because this platform is heavily built around automation. Now, what's interesting already is that this is not just another AI writer where you copy and paste articles manually afterward. The platform actually wants direct access to your website structure so it can understand how your site is built before generating content. So right here I can either connect my own WordPress website or create a temporary demo site just to test everything first. How you can create it? Just click here on taste WP. WP means WordPress, and you can create one for free as well. Once the site is ready, I just enter my WordPress credentials and generate an application password. If you don't know how to generate a password, go to users and then select profile and create an application password. And this is basically the secure bridge between WordPress and Contentryte. Now after that, I download the Lumen AI Writer plugin, which is their exclusive plugin that connects the platform directly to the website. And according to them, this is where the platform starts analyzing your existing content, categories, internal links, writing style, even interlink your old articles for references and overall site structure using what they call site DNA intelligence. And honestly, this is probably the most unique angle of the entire software because most AI tools just generate generic content, robotic content without understanding the website itself. So once the plugin is installed, I simply activate it. Enable the bridge connection and copy the bridge token and paste it back inside Contentryte. And just like that, the entire WordPress connection is complete. Now that the site is connected, I can move into the workspace setup, which is basically where the platform starts building the actual content strategy for the website. So here I am entering my website name, URL, business keywords, and overall niche topics. And this part is actually important because the AI system is trying to understand what people are searching for Google on Google related to your website, and the site intelligence scanner system can plan the contents for you professionally. Instead of randomly generating articles, the platform is trying to create content around actual searchable topics and keywords. I can also set my publishing frequency, choose posting schedules, and even add brand identity information so the content feels more personalized to the website. Once everything is configured, I just click create and analyze, and now the AI system starts scanning the site structure and preparing content ideas automatically. So now we are inside the workspace dashboard, and this is where the actual content generation begins. The platform already starts suggesting article titles and content opportunities based on the keywords and website data. You will see that the entire article heading outline and literally everything is pre-populated for me just by clicking the right article button. And honestly, what I like here is that the workflow feels very publishing focused instead of just AI focused. Now this is where I think the platform becomes interesting for bloggers, affiliate marketers, and SEO creators because the real challenge usually is not coming up with ideas, it's consistently creating optimized content at scale. So now I will generate the full article, and within seconds the AI has built my content. We have got headings, formatting, structure, and SEO focused organization already prepared. Now obviously I will still recommend editing and reviewing AI content manually because no AI tool is perfect, but compared to manually building articles from scratch, this definitely speeds up the workflow significantly. Now after the article is generated, I can also check the built-in SEO scoring system, And this is useful. This is actually useful because it shows optimization suggestions, content improvements, and areas that still need work before publishing. Next, I am going to generate an AI image directly inside the platform. So instead of leaving the dashboard and using separate image tools, I can simply enter an image prompt here and let the AI create visuals automatically for the article. And after a few seconds, the image is generated and inserted directly into the content. Now, the next feature is actually pretty interesting. Contentryte can also generate social media posts automatically based on the article. So instead of manually writing promotional posts separately, the platform repurposes the content for social media automatically. And honestly, this is where the software starts feeling less like a simple AI writer and more like a complete content workflow system. Now, finally, comes probably the biggest time saving feature. Just look at this. I can push the article directly to WordPress from inside this platform. So instead of manually copying, formatting, uploading images, adding categories, and publishing everything myself, I simply select the website, choose categories and tags, and click publish. And just like that, the article goes live directly on the WordPress site with the AI generated image already inserted. And honestly, for people managing multiple blogs and affiliate sites, this kind of workflow automation could save a massive amount of time every single week. I also saw feedback from newer affiliate marketers and bloggers saying this was the first time blogging actually felt scalable to them. One user talked about publishing over 20 articles in the first week instead of spending months writing content manually. And whether those exact numbers vary from person to person or not, I do think it highlights the main appeal of this platform, which is speed and consistency. Because realistically speaking, most people fail with blogging not because they can't write, but because the process becomes too slow and overwhelming. And probably the most interesting reviews were from people who were skeptical about AI content ranking on Google in the first place. So overall, I think Contentryte is trying to solve a much bigger problem than just AI writing. It's trying to simplify the entire publishing workflow from planning and writing all the way to SEO, images, social content, and WordPress publishing. And while obviously no AI tool magically guarantees rankings or passive income overnight, you still need strategy, keyword research, and good decision making. But I do think this feels much more practical and workflow focused compared to a lot of AI tools currently flooding the market. If you want to check it out yourself, I will leave the link below in the description. And if this video helped you understand the platform better, make sure to like the video and subscribe because I'll be testing more AI tools like this very honestly going forward.